morning again. My name is Andre Kloppers from Positive Vibes Trust. For those who are unfamiliar with the work of Positive Vibes Trust, we're a Namibian non-profit organization working across Africa in solidarity with marginalized communities. Yeah. We operate at the intersection of health and human rights, building relationships that transform lives through community initiatives. So no doctors on our staff, unfortunately, maybe someday. I'm pleased now to present to you the results of the Namibian place study conducted in 2022. This was a comprehensive study that was collaboratively done between Positive Vibes Trust, the Ministry of Health and Social Services, and several community-based organizations with the support from the Global Fund, obviously, and we utilized the priorities for local AIDS control efforts or PLACE methodology to identify gaps in HIV prevention and treatment services, specifically for key populations in 8 sites across Namibia, focusing on female sex workers, men who have sex with men, and transgendered individuals. So with that, I'd like to welcome you to the hidden corners of Namibia's HIV landscape, places where traditional outreach often casts no light. Today I'll guide you through the shadows, the highlights, revealing what our research illuminated in communities that remain invisible to many healthcare systems. Imagine walking with us through these 8 Namibian communities where we discovered 263 hotspots, vibrant gathering places pulsing with life after dark. These aren't just venues. They're intersections where lives connect and where our prevention efforts must focus if we hope to change the narrative. Our journey flowed through conversations with 1,250 community members who pointed us towards these places. Here we engaged with key populations, individuals, and heard over 1,000 stories. These stories typically remain untold, their experiences uncaptured in health statistics. The landscape we mapped revealed cycles that trap these communities. Picture this: 71% of respondents drink alcohol daily, and 17% of men who have sex with men are injecting drug users, creating whirlpools where risk and vulnerability continuously feed each other. While nearly half navigate social connections through digital channels, they remain adrift from essential services. Only 10% access life-saving antiretroviral therapy, despite 90% knowing where to get tested. The warning signals are flashing across the terrain. 38% of the hotspots are condom-free. Almost 80% of hotspots are without the guiding voice of peer educators. And most alarmingly, half of the participants bear the scars of physical stigma and stigma-driven violence. Yet our mapping also reveals pathways towards routes that change and rise from the challenges, change the that raise from the challenging landscape. Venue operators are often seen as barriers. However, overwhelmingly, they've presented the option of being bridges for interventions, and we also see there is 15% of our respondents who fear going to facilities for fear of being exposed. Thank you. Thank you very much. I think I'll leave it there.